How's everybody doing? Can you guys hear me? There y'all are. Hello. Make sure to push live, because sometimes it doesn't automatically update. Thank you, Simeon. I appreciate it. Something just fell behind me. I wasn't sure what that was. So, it appears the poll is still tied somehow. Basically, I have Windows 98 installed on this still. No, actually, I put Windows 98 on here, and I installed the drivers onto this laptop already, so... Hello, John. Make sure you guys check out the poll. I'll start my recording as soon as the poll has been decided. It's still half and half. I'm doing okay. How about you? Oh. Man, I really thought y'all would want to see me do a fresh install, not a upgrade. Dang. 12 volts for 12 votes total so far. We only have 8 viewers. Alright. Looks like we are upgrading this build from Windows 98. Well, Zachary, if you looked in Discord, I said 1 was door dashing, 2 was live streaming, and majority voted for 2. And of course, nobody knew what exactly the numbers were when I did the poll, but still. Classic Stickman team, I have responded. I responded to you. Not sure how to respond to you saying yay, but... Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start the recording and get into this stream video thing that I'm going to start. Okay, so... Alright. Alright, time to, I'm gonna start doing the YouTuber stuff, you know, the intro and everything, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Ignore my hands. I did some work, and I got some glue on my hand, and washing them didn't really work. I don't have any nail polish. Yeah, whatever. Alright. Hey guys, Oliver Windows here, and today I am back with another video. And today what I'm doing in this video is I'm going to be installing Windows Longhorn build 3713. I didn't do too much research on this build due to the fact that I didn't have much time, so I'll be doing research as we go along. I am currently live streaming this, so if you guys want to watch the full stream, it is down in the description. But I put a poll up on the stream asking if I should install this fresh or if I should upgrade it from what operating system I have on here. and I currently have Windows 98 installed on here. So I also upgraded this laptop to an SSD, an IDE SSD. It's called a PATA or PATA SSD. So it should hopefully be a lot faster than the last time I tried installing Longhorn on this laptop. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the install. There we go, got it set up. Alright, let's turn this thing on. Hello, Rainy Nights. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Glad to see you. I'm doing alright, David. How are you? Oh, yes, you love to hear it. As you can see, I got drivers and updates and everything installed on this thing. And I used the Windows 98 Auto Patcher, which had pretty much all the updates built into it. It's pretty cool. But, alright, so let's go ahead and change the date. Let me do some research. I won't be able to read the chat while I do this. Longhorn 3713. Alright, change the date to 11/13/2002. Adjust date/time. So we got 11/13/2002. There we go. Okay. Classic Stickman team. What do you hate hearing? Why do you hate hearing it so much? Alright, so I'm officially booted into Windows 98 2nd Edition. I changed the date, and now I'm going to insert this disk, and hopefully it can be upgraded from Windows 9X. I'm really hoping it can. You don't like the Windows 98 sounds? What's wrong with you? I love the Windows 98 sounds. Hopefully it has an auto run feature on it. Well, there's the install Longhorn option. Oh, that's interesting. Well, oh shoot. Setup has determined that you are running the McAfee Fire Scan program. This program can cause problems while installing Windows XP. Yes, obviously. I didn't even realize I still had it. Oh wow, thank you so much, Rainy Nights. I appreciate it. That's so cool. It's got a nice animation with it. Alright, let's choose upgrade. Of course I accept. I don't actually have the product key. Well, this is a build of, like a very early build of Windows Vista, and it's built off of XP, so... John, Longhorn is basically like a mix, because, again, they're building Windows Vista, and they start with Windows XP. Alright, let me see. Product key, I got it. C-A-Y... I'm having difficulty typing because I can't really see my keyboard, but I think I got it. Let's see, did I get it? I almost just touched the screen. I'm so used to my laptop. Alright, it's preparing the installation. Let's see what happens. That's crazy. The first super chat. That's wild, man. Approximately 75 minutes. I wonder why it thinks it's going to take 75 minutes. I hope it doesn't take that long, good lord. No, Rainy Nice, this is the same laptop. I just put an SSD in it instead of a really slow hard drive. I upgraded to an IDE SSD, so we'll see if it's any faster than the hard drive that I had in it. Yeah, it's some weird Chinese brand. I don't really know how to really read it. I can't remember what the brand name was. Well, clearly it's doing stuff. I wonder what it's trying to analyze. I don't know if I've ever seen this before. Your computer will be faster and more reliable. They didn't change the upgrade screen at all for some reason. Well, I guess while we wait, I'll go ahead and read off everything that this build has to offer. Sorry guys for you guys watching the stream. It won't take too long because there's not that much on this list. But I like to put that in the video and, you know, tell people to skip to whatever. So, new features and changes. The sidebar is now enabled by default, which is nice. Windows Media Player has been updated to version 9. This build introduces the new taskbar, which was later used as the default in Milestone 5 and 6 builds. This new taskbar always uses the Plex theme regardless of what theme the user selects. Oh, that's interesting. The Media Center application has been fixed and can now open, although it still often crashes upon use. Download Manager no longer causes the Explorer window to hang when open, but it does not contain any content. The question mark now appears at the first page of the UBI again. And the sidebar context menu has been made lighter. Interesting. Tablet PC. This build is currently the only available pre-reset build that has both the Media Center and Tablet PC components. Oh, okay, interesting. They would be included in the final release of Windows Vista and do not require a separate SKU. Tablet PC components can be installed from the Add or Move program in the control panel. Okay, it includes on-screen keyboard, sticky notes, Inkball, Tablet PC tutorials, and Windows Journal. I love Inkball. That game was always fun for me for some reason. And then it'll prompt to the second disk and it tells you how to do that. And then the rest of it are just a bunch of bug and quirks. That's it. There's not much added in this build compared to the last build, but that's okay. I do know that there's some animations. I'm hoping this laptop is new enough to see those animations. Yeah, Inkball is the GOAT game. Man, this is taking absolutely forever to analyze, and I don't even know what it's trying to analyze. The hard drive light isn't on. I'm going to start a poll. Let's see, how do I do that? Oh, yeah, there it is. If this doesn't get done anytime soon, I went ahead and put up the poll. Alright, we got 4 votes for yes already. If all y'all wanted me to do install fresh, why did you have me start this to begin with? Honestly, I don't even know if I have the drivers for this thing. I have a disk that says drivers for it, but it's always broken. Yeah, I know it's analyzing, but it's taking absolutely forever to do it. It didn't fail, though. It's still doing it. It's still going. Just slowly. Oh, it jumped. The only reason why I want to install this, the only reason why I want to upgrade this is because Windows 98 has all the drivers, and I don't have to worry about any of the issues about, you know, animations and stuff. Desktop compositing engine requires either compatible hardware or VMware Workstation to work. Do you think installing Fresh will go any faster? Oh yeah, this thing can definitely run Doom. Alright, I'm going to install this thing fresh. I doubt anything special is going to be a part of it, but... Alright, reading the disk. Hopefully, nope. Instantly did not. Maybe? Question mark? There it goes. Hopefully this will go much faster. Yep, the classic setup screen. I'm pretty sure I was the reason why there was manufacturer bloatware anyways. It sucks I took all that time to put the drivers on it, but, you know, it's okay. Oh yeah, me too. I've installed on plenty of emulators. Of course, on emulators, this doesn't usually take long. Setup is starting Windows. Well, my keyboard just flashed. Nice. Alright. Enter. Enter. I cannot see my keyboard. There's F8. Delete partition. Enter. L. Install. Format quickly. Yeah. Getting into Windows betas is always so fun. I like having, I like doing this, like, you know, creating videos for people to watch and see this stuff. Because a lot of people can't get their hands on actual hardware like this. That's one of the main things that's driving me to still do this kind of stuff. Oh, nice. Alright, let's see. Is it going to install quickly? Of course, it can't go that quickly because of the disk. The disk drive probably doesn't read that fast. Creating list of files to be copied. with the, there's no disk activity. There it goes. Yeah. Yep. Copying files slowly because of the disk drive. That's fair, rainy nights, but some people can't. Man, this would go so fast in an emulator, it's crazy. But yeah, I'm low on money myself, that's why I mentioned door dashing on Discord. Yeah, whenever I got this laptop, it came with Windows 2000, which surprised me a little bit, but I don't think the owner knew too much about this laptop because he said he got it from one of his relatives, I think, and he said that they worked at a business, and of course, the business upgraded. So, yeah, Discord. I have a Discord. Ooh, look, oh wow, look, there's the speed. Those must be very small Windows files. It's truly copying over files when it gets to drivers dot, what is it, drivers dot dat, I think? No, cab, there it is, driver.cab. Takes a while to copy that one over. It's in the description, the Discord link is. I tell you what, man. People don't ever like to read the description, it's always been that way. I know it's still copying because the hard drive light is still flickering. Discord is kind of the GOAT, except, a majority of it is owned by the Chinese, and that's the only part that bothers me. Just because of how much they like to track people. Alright, now it's copying the rest. It shouldn't take too much longer. Yeah, I know. I didn't know you didn't know about it, Rainy Nights. It's fairly new, though. Oh yeah, I forgot my laptop has a Windows update because it's in the Canary channel. %, already, let's go. If this was that old hard drive, it probably would have taken like 30 minutes to an hour to copy all these files over. I wonder what my next video should be. Dang, it's 8 o'clock. Yeah, that's fair. Quaflim? Is that how you say that name? Quaflim? Sorry if I'm butchering it. Normal people would get up and walk away while this happens. Oh, by the way, if you join my Discord server, make sure to read the rules, especially the last bit. Chrome OS Flex. Does that mean you can install Chrome OS on any on any hardware that isn't, whatever Chrome OS is normally built on? $89. 90. Come on, where you at? There you are. Yeah, 90%. Let's go. I just sit there and I say the numbers in my head all the dang time. I'm not too certain as to why. I've been streaming for 30 minutes already. It's crazy. Pro_seg 5.sys? Is that what that said? $95% there, 96%, 97% there, 98%. Oh, it wasn't going to cut me off that time, but it did the other 3 times. 99% there. Let's go. Maybe. Or don't. Well, there it goes. Please wait. It still says stuff in the bottom right. Whoa, I just butchered that song. And there goes the reboot. I'll go ahead and make it quicker. How's the music? It's not looping over and over, is it? Nope, don't boot from the CD. Oh, it still says Windows XP. Doesn't say Longhorn or anything yet, which is unfortunate. An exciting new look. Wafflim, that's just how it was back then. It's an amazing boot up splash screen. I've always loved it. Well, I'm just waiting for that screen to pop up for the setup. That's so true. Wafflim, I definitely can believe that. That sounds just like a major company. Business, I don't know why I couldn't think of that word. What is going on? I mean, the hard drive light is active, but it's still stuck at 39 minutes. Unless it's successfully got the time correct, which doesn't seem like it. Yeah, that's true, Rainy Nights. Okay, there it goes, finally. Installing devices. Corporate, thank you. That's the word I was looking for. Corporate business. Uh-oh. Oh, that scared me. It froze down there in the bottom. Yeah, on Archive, archive.org or whatever the link is, I actually found a Windows Longhorn, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Basically, the whole Windows Longhorn archive. But strangely enough, it was actually missing some, like, a very small few builds that I had. I had builds that the archive didn't have, which is very strange to me. Like this one, 3713. I didn't have this one. I didn't have 3713. I had 3718 because of WinWorld PC. I just mass downloaded a bunch of, or pretty much all the Windows ISOs from WinWorld PC, and didn't realize archive.org had the ISOs that I was looking for. So that's why you always go to multiple sources to make sure you have everything you need. Archive isn't bad. The archive had a lot of builds I didn't have, but there's just a few of them that were missing that I did have. I guess this is still going to take a while, even on an SSD. I guess it's probably bottlenecked by something in the computer's hardware. It might be the RAM? No, I upgraded the RAM. I don't know. I'm not too certain. It probably is the RAM because it's Longhorn. And, 600 and something megabytes of RAM isn't that much RAM for anything lately. I don't know. It is a Pentium 3 CPU. I don't know if that's bottlenecking it or what. I just hope that this GPU that's inside of it has the compatible drivers to see all the cool animations and everything. I've never actually installed Windows Vista on this laptop before, so I don't know if it's even compatible. I just hope it has USB drivers. And hopefully I can get SDI to work, but I doubt it. All I care about is the display and the audio, and I guess USB as well, but I don't use USB enough. The file on unknown is needed. What? What is... Hello? Okay, well... Interesting. ATI EVXX. Is that AMD ATI? Huh. That might be what it's looking for, is in the AMD ATI video drivers. I have them on a separate disk, so I might be able to install it from there. But nothing's even showing up in here, which is weird. Well, whatever. I just ignored it. For now. Since this is Windows XP, I can actually use a blank CD and turn it into like a USB type thing. Because Windows XP and above can use that feature. I never knew how it worked, but I find it pretty interesting. Again, another ATI thing. Stay connected with colleagues, customers, friends, and family. Wow. Again, shush. Okay, I get it. You don't have that specific file. I don't know what that file even is. Finally, this is the window I was waiting on. Alright, let's see. Ignore that one. I'm still not used to this tiny little keyboard. Alright, time for the product key again. Hey. I saw that. Awesome. Alright, this is the Dell Longhorn. Sure. I don't need an admin password. Yeah, the setup is classic. I don't care. It's probably gonna have to say real number. Nope, never mind. Alright, the date is still the same, the way that it needs to be. Eastern time, that's everything correct. Alright, cool. Well, so much for speed with this SSD. It doesn't seem to be going that fast. It might just be going the max speed that an IDE drive can go. Not too certain. It's going to ask me some network related stuff that I have to pretty much ignore. If you need to encrypt your data, Windows XP offers an encrypting file system. It's weird how it has this encryption stuff, and yet it can probably easily be broken. Even to this day. Wouldn't surprise me any. Copying files. What files are you trying to copy now? I thought you did all that already. Be assured of greater accessibility. Yeah, that's so true. Just non-existent unknown files. That's funny. I have never seen the time be so accurate. Setup will complete in approximately that amount of time. I've never seen it this accurate before. Oh, is it rainy nights? I guess that's true. So, eventually, would you guys be interested in seeing a video of me cleaning out that Windows Vista desktop I have back there? I'm not going to pull it out because it's an actual desktop, but it's absolutely full of dust, and it constantly will get too hot and lock up. One day I'll throw an SSD in there, and we can start, I can attempt to start installing all the leaked builds of, let's say, Windows 7. What is it? Windows Vienna or Windows Blackcomb? What is the true code name for Windows 7 beta? Yeah, let the dust fly, and that'll just fill my room up. I'll have to have a shop vac with me or something. Oh, I don't need a shop vac. I forgot I had a handheld vacuum. Was the codename really Windows 7? I thought that it had another codename. Because there was Windows Vienna and Windows Blackcomb. I think it was Windows Vienna, because I always loved the word Vienna because of that. People actually like cleaning videos. That's interesting. See, I didn't know that. I didn't know people actually would enjoy watching that, because I've taken some dust out of it before. It's just, I'm not really good at cleaning. That's the problem. Oh, they both were canceled? Okay, I thought the Windows 7 beta was Vienna. Oh, you know what? I'm thinking of Windows Vienna from Windows Vista. I mean, from Vista. You know, the whole fan-made project from Vista. That's what I'm thinking of when I say Vienna. Interesting. What was Windows 8? I actually don't know anything after Windows Longhorn for some strange reason. I know that one section of Windows 10 beta was Windows Redstone. I don't recall what Windows 11 is, but I know that the next build of Windows, like Windows 12, is going to be... There's 3 different code names. There's Windows Next Valley, Windows... Oh, shoot. I forgot what the next build, or the build name was, but... And then there's just whatever. Nice. I'm cleaning 2 fans out. Yeah, the moments, but what was... It's not Next Valley. That's the one that I call it now. But before I called it something else, because no one really knows what it truly is yet. I don't recall. I feel like it starts with an H for some reason. I don't know. Sun Valley? No, I don't think it's Sun Valley. I think it has to do with, like, New York or something. Hudson, that's it. Yeah, Hudson Valley. Windows Hudson Valley. That's what I'm looking for. People don't know if it's called Next Valley or Hudson Valley. Of course, there's another name, but people are trying to say, but I don't know. It's kind of iffy right now because Microsoft hasn't really released anything. I bet that they're gonna do what they did with Windows 11 and quote-unquote accidentally leak Windows 11. Gotcha. Yeah, Falloware isn't a fan of Hudson Valley for some interesting reason. But Hudson Valley would make sense. Instead of Next Valley, it would be Hudson. It says completing installation, and yet it still says approximately 24 minutes. Haha. Yep, pretty much. 5 more years and then it'll be done. I can't believe I forgot to turn monetization on. Oh man, this sucks having a cracked screen. Yeah, the LTSC version, you've been talking about that a lot. wish I could get my laptop screens fixed, but it's going to cost me like $200. The laptop has a huge crack in it, and it was still under warranty, so I went to get it fixed, or I sent it in to get it fixed, and they're like, oh, the warranty doesn't cover this, so it's going to be like $200. And I'm like, screw you, send it back. Like, that's just ridiculous. I don't even know how it cracked. That's the problem. But like half a year later, the crack is just now causing problems where it has phantom touches on the screen, and there's other times where when I'm trying to touch the screen, it'll have like double touches and two fingers that aren't actually there, and it sucks. That's why I don't like having a glass laptop screen. Because when your phone screen cracks, you don't have this problem. It's interesting. Yeah, the reason why they don't have junk is because, you know, the businesses use it, and so they're like, okay, we'll get rid of the junk so you guys can actually have performance. Because most business computers aren't really fast, you know? They're not really fast enough to run the normal Windows 7. Windows XP is great for notebook users. Well, I know it's working because the hard drive light is flickering, so it's doing something just slowly for some reason. That's fair, Rainy Nights, that's fair. I'm gonna move the mouse and see if it actually moves past it. Wow, I'm pretty much spot on. Didn't even mean, like, it was like first try, I don't have to move it anymore. Let's see if it moves past the mouse. I feel like I had this problem on the last build. The hard drive light is active quite a bit now. It's like it's stuck trying to copy something. Rainy Nights, that means you have a short in the copper, meaning you'll have to get it replaced because it's an iPhone cable, and that's very, 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 very common with iPhone chargers. Oh, wait, it's the port? It's not the cable? Well, that's not surprising either. It is a Lightning port. Lightning is just garbage. That's so weird. There's a lot of disk activity, but it's just not moving anymore. Apple is money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Ooh, I see a loading mouse cursor. It still hasn't moved, though, which is the weird part. Uh-oh. Apple is stupid. A VR headset, they're acting like it's never been done like that before, but I don't know. No one really has a hands-on of it yet, so it's kind of hard to tell what it's going to be like. Bro, why is it not moving? What is going on? Oh, Quafflim, they are the type because they have done that before. Alright, you gotta pull up. That does not surprise me at all, rainy nights. There's not even any disc activity anymore, it's kind of just sitting here. Oh yeah, that's funny. You bring in a laptop that, like, whenever you took it apart, you can just barely pull a ribbon cable out and then, you know, be like, hey, there's this part, it's not working anymore or something. And they're like, oh, okay, that'll be $800. Like, seriously? I think I am stuck. I think the installation is stuck. It's stuck. Like, it's not moving. The hard drive, or the hard drive light, or SSD light, whatever you want to call it, is not blinking anymore. It's kind of just sitting here. No lights. Well, vote on the poll. Don't forget. We got 4 votes, and it's half and half. I need a tiebreaker. Oh, wait, there's some activity going on. This is kind of weird. Come on, Longhorn, pull through. The hard drive light is going off again. Why is it taking so long? Is it just Longhorn being Longhorn? It's pretty normal, I guess. I wish I could see what it's doing. Okay, I ignore the poll. I'm gonna end the poll because it's actually doing stuff again. I don't know what it's doing, but, you know. This is weird. It doesn't usually take this long. Or does it? I wonder if I can just, like, click this. Regasm? What? What did that say? I didn't even get a chance to read it. Okay, so clearly it's doing stuff. I'm just clicking the full screen button every time. Is this stuck in a boot loop or something? Or a boot loop, an install loop, and some sort of loop? Oh, hey! Hey, finally! Oh, disk is spinning back up. Time to copy more files. I've been streaming for an hour now. Oh, I thought of SpongeBob. If I stream for 2 hours, I'm just gonna get mad and scream what that guy says in SpongeBob. With Bubble Buddy in the bathroom. Speaking of bathroom, I think I'm gonna go to the bathroom while I wait. I'll be right back. You guys can sit there and watch. Alright, nice. I'm glad to see some content. Content? No, progress. Why did I say content? I mean, I'd love to see some content too, because this definitely is not it. Would you guys prefer if I just shut up and let you guys just watch what's going on? What do you... Yeah, this is pretty normal. Take this long. I don't like how it's slightly crooked. Well, that didn't do anything. No, it always takes this long to install SAR menu items. Have you ever put it on? Have you ever put stuff on actual hardware? It's always fast when emulated, but now it's registering. Oh man, I know that registering is going to take a while. I can't even remember what comes next after this. The time is still going down though. Interesting. I want to move the mouse to... Whoa there. I'm going to move the mouse, I guess, right here. Let's just see how long it takes to get there. Man, this is boring. See, people like... Oh shoot, what's the word I'm looking for? They, underestimate, I guess? They underestimate the struggles that tech YouTubers go through when doing stuff like this, just how long it takes. Because, like, you'll be sitting there watching a YouTuber, like, that, installs basically an old operating system, and you're just like, man, why didn't they do this, this, and this? Well, you're watching this live, you're watching the struggles and how long it takes, and other streams that I've done, it just took absolutely forever to get everything done. See, now I'd be fine if I had time, but I don't. I don't have that much time to just sit here and wait, Speaking of waiting, hang on a second. There it is. Speaking of waiting, why don't you go ahead and click that like button? Oh, hey, and subscribe if you're new. Hey, they're both free, so why not? They're both, just right down there. There's the like button. Oh, hey, the subscribe button's right here, too. Just go ahead and push them. Hey, why don't you go ahead and push the notification bell while you're at it? I greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much. I'm sorry I had to be a YouTuber. I haven't done that in a while, actually. Oh, hey, it's past the mouse cursor. Oh my. Did you see it jump from 12 minutes to 10 minutes? I was just about to say it's past the mouse cursor. Past the mouse cursor challenge. Imagine. Is my mic still working? I hope it is. It disconnects randomly sometimes. Man, I hate sitting in the floor. I wish I had an actual setup for these videos. My house is way too small. If I was living by myself, I'd definitely have enough room, but I'm not. I know, right? It says I've got like 8 to 9 concurrent viewers, but the chat is pretty dead right now. They're probably just listening in the background, which is fine with me. I don't have a problem with it. It's just hard to make commentary. I'm not really good at commentary, which is why my gaming channel is no longer existent. Like, it exists, but like I just don't. I haven't posted on it in like 2 years. Because I'm just not good at talking to myself. Whoa, that was fast. It is finally finalizing the installation. It's about freaking time. David, I think 5G is amazing and also horrible. My phone has 5G. I think it has quote-unquote 5G plus, which, it's kind of stupid. But, I was on the T-Mobile network, like, right as they were, like, releasing the whole 5G stuff, and it was absolutely amazing. But I was forced to, upgrade, in quotes, when I call it downgrade, to Xfinity Mobile, because where I live now, when I moved, T-Mobile didn't have good enough service. I couldn't, like, use the internet or anything. And at the time, I didn't have internet, because I just moved. And so I was forced to move to Xfinity Mobile, which runs off of the Verizon towers, and Verizon is absolutely hot garbage, and it always has been. I don't know why they call it the world's or America's #1 network or whatever, and it's a garbage network. But it rarely has 5G, and when it does, most of the time it only gets like 50 down. Rarely you'll see like, I don't know, 200, 300 down, but whenever I was on T-Mobile, I always had like 800 down and like 600 up. It was crazy. I miss being on T-Mobile. But Verizon is taking their sweet time upgrading, quote unquote, their towers. But of course, if you go into a building, especially a metal building, then you won't get service at all. The streak continues. What do you mean, rainy nights? Well, David, clearly you don't live in the South. Verizon is probably okay more towards the California area, but over here in Tennessee, no, it's horrible. It's always been horrible. Especially when there's a lot of people in one area, then it gets congested. And I've driven around quite a bit. Not to different states, but around this specific state. And I never really did get that many good speeds. I didn't do good at geography. I'm not too certain where Maine is. Is that where the Verizon corporation is or something? How is it saving settings? Or why is the disk spinning up if it's saving settings? How does that make any sense? Got it. Is it near New York and all that? Yeah, I figured it was past New York, but it's near it. Or wait, am I getting confused? I don't know. It's fine. Who remembers when androids used to be named after desserts? Android builds. Who remembers that? Well, David, it's not that you're old, it's just I failed in geography. Oh, I forgot. I just asked another question. Yeah. I don't remember I don't remember what the last dessert was. I think it was in. Wait, no, maybe it was P, because they didn't have a dessert for Q. Yeah, it was P. Android Pie. Because I've always loved Android Oreo. I hated that Q was the last, like, or P was the last, build of Android that had desserts. But I got, they couldn't really like think of a Q that would sound good. I guess I don't know. It's kind of interesting, but I always loved going into the developer, or not the developer, the about phone section and spamming the Android version. It would have like a cool animation on each build. But yeah, Android 8.0 Oreo. Now all the animations are dumb and boring. It sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. The Easter eggs, animations, whatever. Is any of you guys familiar with Samsung phones? I can't remember if this is a Samsung phone thing or an Android phone thing, but whenever you go into the phone and the phone dialer and you type in a code, I can't remember which code it is, it brings up a testing menu, and one of the menus, it brings up an image of a dog. I don't know whose dog it is, but it's a really, really cute dog. I think it's a Chihuahua with a party hat on. I don't remember. I took a screenshot of it, but I'm using my phone right now. It is a Samsung thing? Okay. Yeah, that's a little Samsung Easter egg, I guess. I'm surprised they haven't upgraded the image yet, considering how high quality, screens are these days. Quince tart, red velvet cake, snow cone, and tiramisu. How do you know? Where do you get this stuff from? Where do you get this knowledge? I didn't know that internally they were still dessert named. I love Windows 11. No, my phone doesn't have Android 13 beta, or Android 14 beta yet. It's the S22 Ultra, so the S23 Ultra is going to get it first. Before anyone else does. I can't wait for it, though. There was a banner in Samsung members to get the Watch 5 beta, but somehow I missed it. And usually you can contact support saying, hey, I missed it, can I please be added? And usually it works, but I tried that and it didn't work this time. It really sucks because I always try my best to be a part of a beta program, especially when it comes to operating systems. Which is why my main desktop is in the dev build of Windows 11, and my laptop is in the Canary build. And they released a Canary build and a dev build yesterday. I haven't upgraded either of my computers yet, just because I haven't had time, but... Your speaker. We're done. Approximately 1 minute remaining. Oh, it's removing any temporary files used. It's about freaking time, dude. I'm getting sleepy already. I don't want to sound sleepy. Man, it took you that long to switch, Rainy Nights? That is insane. That is a huge freaking jump. Good lord. Whoa, pitch black. Yeah, I mean, Windows 10 was okay, but I just don't like how, annoying it was. I mean, Windows 11 still can be annoying, but it's nowhere near as annoying as Windows 10 was. Longhorn XP Professional, look at that. I mained the Windows 11 leaked build, 21996. Alright. Hello? There he goes. So this goes to show it does not have the display drivers, so hopefully I can get those installed. It's not necessarily fixing, it's just, upgrading to more modern, I guess. And I'm a Windows fan, so I love seeing the latest and greatest. And usually I main it. Yes, I mean, I know, we were talking about Windows 12 earlier. Windows Next Valley or Hudson Valley. We still don't know which code name it's going to be, or what it is. It's kind of iffy right now, we're just waiting on it to be leaked. Windows 10 is more bloated than Windows 11 is. Actually, they're probably about the same. It's just Windows 11 is more hidden when it comes to bloat. 10 is just as bad as 11. Oh god, copyrighted music. I have to mute this. Huh. Pretty sure that music's copyrighted. Well, we're in the Ubi that supposedly works. I'm gonna turn that down a little more just in case you guys can still hear it. Hey, Rainy Nights, if the government asked you to purchase some of your land, and you deny it, they wouldn't care, and they would still use your land without paying you. So, if the government asks, just say yes and take the money, because they're gonna do it either way. Because it's the government, they can do whatever they want. Alright, let's continue. Welcome to Microsoft Windows. Push next down here. Of course, it's got a freeze, but... Hello, Sumcat. Welcome to the stream. Ready to activate Windows? Well, I am activated, but sure. I hate that activation crap. Good to know I do have sound drivers. I'm glad to hear it. Get it? Hear it? Instead of see it. Alright. Nope. Alright, let's hear it. Oh, still playing the music. There he goes. Yeah, there you go. Well, there's the beloved Windows XP sound, startup sound. It's actually 8:55. I'm not sure why it says 8:58, but it doesn't really have an internet to connect to. I guess I could go ahead and take the disc out. I don't need it anymore. I still don't have that, bro. Whoa! Theme changed. Well, is Explorer gonna load? I mean, the disk light is still active. Well, clearly it's still a bad idea trying to install Longhorn on this laptop. I need to find another Windows XP machine that isn't slow to install Longhorn on. I don't have one. And I don't have the money to get another one. Hello? Explorer, are you gonna load? You're right here. What the heck is this? Why is this using so much RAM? Oh my, look at that CPU usage. Oh yeah, look at that screen tear. Alright, let's try again. Oh my god, I cannot see my keyboard at all. I'm not used to this tiny keyboard that I got from that thrift store. Alright, let's see it. Is it going to open this time? Well. Hey, there it is. What is WinFS anyways? Why does it always consume memory? I'm waiting on the sidebar to show up. I guess I'll just give it some time. You know, I could have swore I had at least 600 megabytes in here. But I guess I don't. Which sucks. Can anyone help me find some RAM for this laptop? I could only find one. Well, I only have two. I have two sticks, but one don't work because it doesn't have a controller in it or whatever, but... Oh, okay. Did it find the display drivers? Oh my god. What is happening? Well, the CPU usage is dropping, which is interesting. The laptop is the Dell Inspiron something. Hang on a second. My laptop screen just went off. Let me look. I can't see it. The Dell Inspiron 7500. I don't exactly remember the kind of RAM. It's, you know, a 1998-ish laptop. I'm pretty sure it's like SD RAM or something, DDR1 or before DDR. I don't remember. Okay. Alright, let's see. Does it have the drivers? The sidebar is just about to load. There it is. So I think this is the only thing. Yeah, it's the only thing. The other thing just looks like Windows XP. Let's see. Hi? Huh. Well, it looks better, at least, but it's not 32-bit. Let me see if I can install the drivers that come on this disk. That is if it loads, of course. It's so weird. I have an SSD in this thing, and this computer is still going slow. It's going just as slow as it did on that hard drive that I had in it. What? What's happening right now? Well, I went ahead and closed the sidebar. I don't recall if this disc is new or old. I think it's a new one. The old one I had, the disc was basically broken. It wouldn't open. It was not readable for some strange reason. Finally, go away. Oh, I see. This is not the disc that I'm looking for. This is strictly meant for Windows 98. I see what it is now. Alright, give me just a moment to find the drivers for this thing. I cannot see. I'm going to turn the flashlight on. There we go. Label. I got quite a few non-labeled discs in here. I hope that some of them, or none of them, are the driver thing that I'm looking for. That would suck. Well, I got too many discs that I didn't label, which is stupid on my part. Another blank disc. Why do I keep doing that to myself? Let's just see what's on it first before I continue. I thought I had it labeled though. Let's see what's on this CD. Good Lord. What does that say? Ah, this is React OS. No, go away. Not sure why I didn't label it. I'm going to do that now. Okay, got that one out of the way. Let's see, what is this disk? Another React OS disk? Okay, interesting. Sorry I'm doing this on stream. That's just the joys of what I do, I guess. I'm not really a streamer. People are leaving the stream as we speak. I gotta get these display drivers installed. Alright, what's this disk? Let me guess, another React OS CD. React OS CD. Huh? What, is this one not readable or something? I guess not. Bong. Huh, interesting. I guess that's why. Oh, wait, what? It's a DVD. Maybe I'll put ReactOS on it as well. Yeah, that's off to the side. Hello, Rainy Nights. Make sure to push the live button. It appears you have a delay. Okay, here's another blank disc. Another blank disc. I don't have enough. I don't have enough disc holders. Okay, it's some sort of operating system. I'm not too certain what operating system it is, though. Let's see. Another blank disc, another blank disc. It's 10 for some reason. Another blank disc, 7 Delta. Dell 7000 series. SMC drivers. More Dell 7000 drivers. Blank disc. Blank disc. Did that and pushed the like button too. Awesome, I appreciate it. How many blank discs am I gonna have? Okay, based off of that, what you guys see on the screen, it's either Windows Vista or Windows 7. I think I've been through all of these discs. Oh, another. Okay, yeah, those are all blanks. Alright. I don't know what happened to my 75,000 series CD that I had. Oh, shoot. Alright, what's on this disc? IBM drivers. IBM? What? I had one of these discs already? Okay, interesting. Alright, I'll go ahead and write that down. Wouldn't surprise me. Let's see what's on this one. I don't know if I still have the ISO to copy. I would just do that. That's weird though, because I just used this disc. Did I just not put it back? I bet I didn't put it back. What does that say? Intel P2 driver. Intel Pentium 2, okay. Well, I'm on a Pentium 3, so I'll just take this out and write down what that says. Alright, got that disc out of the way. What's next? Do I have any newer discs that I should be looking at first? Kind of. Let's just look at this one. This one's more new. Bum 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 ba-dum. Bum ba-dum bum 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 bum. Dang, that one's spinning up quick. This one might be an operating system. Based off of how fast it's spinning. Let's see, did it read it? It did not read it. Well, there is a disc into it, but whatever. I guess this one's a goner. I'm just gonna have to copy the ISO over. Why does it keep saying that? Alright, it's not an ISO that I'm copying everything over to, but it's just all the files, which I prefer anyways. Because the last one, it didn't specify which operating system it was. Excuse me. Oh, that's Windows 2K. For some strange reason. Alright, let's get that out of there and mark it down. I'm still gonna go through this while it burns all the files to the DVD or the CD. Alright, I got 2 more blank discs to go. You know what? I bet the drivers I had for this thing are behind my couch. Because I did have some discs in the windowsill because I didn't want to get up. Alright, let's see. What is this disc? Oh, okay. This is the Wi-Fi card driver. Which is actually good to know. I'm gonna go ahead and mark that down because this is useful to how new it is. Put that in there. And the last disc that is unmarked is a DVD, so it might not be able to read it. I would use SDI, but unfortunately, I don't know if it's the USB to SATA driver I have, or if it's, something else. I'm not sure what this is. I think it is another version of Windows Vista. I have a stack of blank CDs, but I don't have DVDs. I do have it in my Amazon cart, though. Yeah, this is Vista of some kind. Well, that's okay. I'll go ahead and throw all these back. It's still copying all the files over to a CD right now. I mean, who likes to do a YouTube video without the drivers? Whoa, that was close. How much longer is this going to take? Right, I forgot I'm running it through a splitter, so it's not going to work. I have to unplug stuff just to plug it back in, so give me just a second. My microphone is plugged into it, so I'm going to be muted for a bit, but I will be back. Alright, I am back. Let's try this again. I'm sorry, I wasn't prepared for this. What do you mean it froze when you clicked live? Oh, that's probably because it was syncing. Okay, now it's actually copying the files to the disk. Yeah, sorry, I'm just now trying to get the drivers for this laptop, even though I don't know if they'll work or not. It's worth a shot. Before I go full YouTuber mode and end the stream, because I'm getting tired, and it's 9:30, I should be done. Why does command prompt not have the correct picture? Weird. If anyone's wondering, this cable back here is the keyboard that I use for this laptop, because this laptop's keyboard is like a quarter of it doesn't work. It always takes long to install drivers, especially when you can't find the dang disk for it and you have to reburn everything over to a disk. It says it's going to take 2 more minutes to burn everything. I wonder if there's supposed to be a background image. I think there is. So if I go to Plex and then go back to Plex, it should load the correct image. It always takes forever to install drivers. I don't know how long it's taken so far, but yeah, that's the image I'm looking for. It always does this for some reason. There we go. Come on. Wait a minute. Something ain't right here. I just thought. Give me a second. Give me just a minute. Scroll down a little bit here. Yeah, I was right. Why does it say there's only 176 megabytes right now? I put a 512 megabyte stick in it. Yo, hold up. What's going on here? I did not catch that until now. Oh, hey, the disk is done. I don't know why you thought the stream was over. I didn't do the outro or anything. Alright, let's see. Inspiron 7500 drivers. Why the heck is my 512 megabyte stick so dang stupid? Alright, let's pop this in here and hope this does what I need it to. My mouse is going? There it is. I'm gonna wait on that pop-up menu to show up first before I try to scroll down. Well, maybe I go ahead and try. Come on. What do you mean it has the correct vibe? What does that mean? Well, I'm glad you think it's relaxing. Well, where's the show button? How do I tell it to show the hidden files that are supposed to be on here? Well, that didn't work, did it? What the heck do I do? Why is this a thing? Hello, does anyone know? How do I get into the C drive? It's usually got a button that says to, you know, show. What do I do? I thought I had a Windows XP folder, but I guess I didn't. Invalid access to memory location. What does that even mean? This is so weird, though. I can't do anything. There's no view contents or anything. I did that already, Rainy Nights. I can't do it here, but when I go to here, well, it's not in here. It's in folder options. I will go to view. Yeah, see, I checked it already. Oh, wait, maybe it's this. That work? Oh my gosh, it's so slow. Oh wait, there it is. Display the contents. That should work. No, okay, never mind. I guess not. Well. This sucks. Oh my lord. I don't understand why Longhorn can't see the 512 megabytes of RAM that this computer has inside of it. How do I get to the classic folders? What are you talking about? Oh, this. Hey, there you go. Wow, that worked, of course. Go figure. Thanks, Rainy Nights. I appreciate it. Ugh, come on. Bro, I wonder if I could just copy the files over with the... I didn't think that would work. Let me try something though. See if this works. Hello? I shouldn't have done that. Dang it. Let's see if this works. Hopefully this works. Bro, why does it keep saying that? ATI-EVXX. I don't get it. I just don't. I don't have that file that it's asking for. Weird. What? Huh. This might be the file it's looking for right there. It's just named wrong. Hang on, let me try again, and then maybe I can rename that. Well, it was going slower because I had the disk drive in it. Alright. ATI VXX. I thought it was EXX. So ATI VXX it doesn't exist. Weird. Well, I guess I'm screwed then. Huh, interesting. Oh well. I guess it is what it is. Well. Not too certain as to why, but this just does not exist. Weird. I wonder if I installed or put the regular Windows XP disk in here, if that would work. I'm not going to take the time to do that though. Sucks. Well, I'm officially in Longhorn XP 3713. There really isn't that much for me to show off because I can't get the display drivers installed on this thing for some reason. And I've been I've been streaming for 2 hours now, which probably means I've been recording for just as long. There's not really that much new that has been added. And I read off what everything new that was on here anyways. So, unfortunately, that is all I can do for this stream, for this video. And yeah, I guess I'm just going to do the outro and you know, give up on it. I might work on this some more and continue the video and whatnot, but I'll go ahead and do the outro for everyone. So, thanks for sticking around, everyone on the stream. I greatly appreciate it, but I did what all I could, and I couldn't really find any help. Google didn't really help with that file that was lost, but it is what it is. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Make sure to go down in the description and check out all the links I have down there. And yeah, without further ado, I will see you guys later. Goodbye, guys.